Hi, good morning. This is ABV from ABV EDC Store. Time check tayo. It's 9:54 AM ng 04/12/2025. So ngayon, hindi naman knife ang ating i-inspect. This is a AceBeam L19 long range hunting flashlight. Okay? So, right. Check natin. Double check. So yan, paperworks. 19 AceBeam. The card. And I think ito yung lanyard hole. Some silica gel. Yung USB and OTG na charging cable. Some AceBeam warning sign. And check natin yung flashlight itself. So, hindi natin tatanggalin to kasi si customer ang gagalaw na. So, ito yung kanyang AceBeam L19. Okay. Tail switch. Battery indicator. Right. So, para sa thrower flashlight, this is still a compact flashlight. So check natin. Unscrew na natin yung tail cap. Testingin natin yung light. So yun, nandito nga yung insulator. So pull out yung insulator saglit. Put it back. Yan. Make sure pala pa nagbabalik kayo ng tail cap, i-secure nyo muna bago nyo i-tighten para hindi kayo mag-cross thread, hindi ma-damage ang inyong mga thread. So yan. So ang pag-turn on nito sa tail cap, yan, instant yan, turbo. Momentary turbo for half press. Full press, constant turbo. Sakit sa mata. Yan. So yung side switch, pang turn on niya, hold. Yan, pag in-hold mo siya na matagal, magmo-moonlight. Tapos press again para to off. So hold, keep holding siya, magtatagal siya ng modes. Okay? So alam ko meron tong strobe. Ang strobe yata nito is pagka naka-press ka